Hey everybody, this is meteorologist Braden Murdoch from the National Weather Service office around the Bay Area. We're looking at quite the warm-up as we head into Memorial Day weekend. Starting on Sunday, we're going to start seeing temperatures get pretty well above average, especially for the interior areas. But for the coastal areas, it doesn't warm up too quickly just yet. We're looking at 75 for Santa Cruz on Sunday, into those upper 60s for San Francisco, and San Rafael might break into those 80s that day. But then as we continue to Memorial Day itself, that's where we start to see some of these stronger, higher temperatures getting up there, where we see 91 for San Rafael, Concord getting close to that 100-degree mark, and areas more inland are going to be seeing those warmer conditions. Now, the big concern with this is we haven't had a whole lot of very warm days in a row so far this year. We've had a few hot days here and there, but over the last few weeks, it's been fairly cool around the Bay Area, and this is just going to be quite a jolt. And some of this heat continues into Tuesday, where we're still seeing 80-degree temperatures around the Bay itself. San Francisco a little bit cooler at 72, but then Concord still in those lower 90s. Napa, same story. And then off towards the Monterey Bay, it just depends on where you are. A little bit warmer towards Santa Cruz with 78, but then 73 for Monterey itself. Now, what you can do to beat the heat during these conditions is, well, for one, make sure you stay hydrated. Maybe limit your activity between that 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. time of day, where we're starting to see some of those warmer conditions. Of course, don't leave the kids or pets in the car, because it's going to be sunny and it's going to be fairly warm. Now, if you're trying to escape the heat by going to the beach, it's going to be breezy, so we're kind of worried about that with gusts building up as we continue into the weekend. It's not going to be terribly strong winds, but something to be prepared for. If you're bringing the beach umbrella, that's something you're going to need to worry about. But also, the ocean temperatures, they're going to be fairly cool still. So yes, it's going to be hot on the shore, but when you finally go out to the ocean, it's going to be 51 degrees in that water. Sea surface temperatures around the San Mateo coast are about 51 degrees. Up towards the northern portions of the Bay Area, we can start seeing up to 49 degrees for sea surface temperatures, and around Monterey Bay, 54 degrees. So it's going to be fairly cold ocean temperatures, so make sure you're also keeping track of your time in the water during that. And of course, with these windy conditions, a lot of people are going to be in the water as well. We're going to be looking out for rip current risks. We want you guys, if you do start to get carried out from the shore, swim parallel to the shore, so swim off to the side first and then start making your way in. Don't try to fight the current, you're not going to win. So make sure you get into more calmer water, then make your way back to the shore. That's a great way to survive a rip current. And we want you guys to stay safe. We want you to enjoy the holiday weekend. A lot of you guys are having extended weekends, and we'll keep checking in with you as we start to get more updated forecasts. We want you guys to stay safe out there and try to stay cool.